Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the record shutter button to start recording while the camera is switched off on the GoPro Hero 9. So you can see at the moment my GoPro is turned off, and if I try to press on this button, it's not actually recording anything. Even if I long press, it will not record. This is because I have already deactivated the function assigned to this shutter button. So if the camera is switched off and if I'm trying to press on the record button, it will not record. So let's see how you can turn it on. I'm going to use the side button here to switch on the GoPro Hero 9. Okay, once the camera is turned on, we're going to swipe down and swipe across and tap on preferences. In preferences, tap on general, then tap on quick capture, and then you want to swipe down to turn it on, and then tap on the screen to go back to general, and then tap on the back key and swipe up to go back to your camera screen. Okay, so while we're in here, if I switch off my camera, so I'm going to press on the power button to switch it off. Okay, now that it is switched off, so let's say if I have the camera in my pocket or in my bag, and if I see something interesting and if I want to shoot immediately without having to switch on the power button, I can now simply just press on the record button now, and the camera will automatically boot up and start recording straight away. And if I press on it, it will stop recording and it will switch off the camera. So that is pretty cool. You can immediately press on the button to quickly capture a scene, and then press on it again and it will stop recording and turn off your camera to save the battery power. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.